Hey guys, welcome to Math with Mr. Hudson for another edition. Today we're going to do section 3-1, rounding and estimating. First thing we need to know is our decimal places. So if we look 5.6789, okay, we need to know the 6 is in the 10th place, the 7 is in the 100th place, the 8 is in the 1000th place, and the 9 is in the 10,000th place. So here's our first problem. We first need to identify what place the underlying value is in. So we look, the 2, it lines up with the first one, so our 2 is in the tenths. We need to round to that 10th place now. So I look, I'm going to have the 4, I'm going to have my decimal. The way we do this is we look at the 2, which is in the tenths, we look to the right, and it's a 6. If it's 5 or more, we round the 2 up to a 3, and there's my answer. Okay, so if we look over at the next one, we have 4.2683. We have to round to the 10th, 100th, the 1000th place. So I'm in the 1000th place. I need to round there. So I look at the 8 and I look next to it. It's a 3. It is 4 or lower. So I say 4.26. If it's 4 or lower, I leave it as an 8. And there's my answer. Quick and simple. Theo, that's why we don't tilt in our chairs. Alright, rounding now. We have the same problem, but we're going to do it two different ways. We have rounding. So we look, I'm going to round to the nearest whole number. So 135, rounding to this. I look to the right, it's a 9. 136 now. Next one, again, the nearest whole number. I look at the 5. I go to the 9. It's higher than 5, so I round up to 16. Whole number for 24. I look to the right, it's a 0. So I leave it at 24. So if I add these now, that's 10 plus the 6 gives me 16, carry the 1. 3 plus 1 is 4, plus another 1 is 5, plus 2 is 7, don't need to carry, and I do the 1. So my answer is 176. That's if we round. If we do front end estimation, we look, we take it piece by piece. We do it exactly what it says, the front, which is all these numbers. We just add those up. We say 5 and 5 is 10, plus 4 is 14, carry the 1, 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5, plus 2 is 7, nothing to carry, and we write the 1 down again. Now we do the ends, which is the numbers to the right of the decimals. 0.95 is close to 1, 90 is close to 1, and 0.05 is close to 0. So we then have to add on those 2 extra, and we again get 176. That's it for 3-1. It's a quick, easy lesson. Thank you guys. Peace out, Girl Scouts.